Hello, this is Jason with the local Locksmith company. Today we're doing a 2019 Chevy Silverado. It's add a key. Here's the customer's original key. You can hear the doors lock cycle. Here's the key we're adding. Nothing. So for this process, you're going to need internet. You're going to need a good Wi-Fi signal because you need internet to do this key. And a good key and a good programmer. We're using the Autel IM508. And we're going to connect. And we're going to auto detect the system. So it's auto detecting right now, and it's going to tell us what vehicle this is. So it's going to be Chevy America. Okay, and the VIN. Okay. Pulls the correct VIN. Check the battery in it. The battery's got good juice. We always want to make sure we look at the battery. So it's a 2019 Silverado. We're going to hit yes. Silverado 1500. 17 to 20. Smart key. And we're going to go to hot function. We're going to add smart key guided. For this process, it's going to have to read the pin. So we're going to hit start reading the pin. Once it reads the pin, I'll get back with you. I'm going to pause you for a second and let it read the pin, and I'll be back. Okay, it's read the pin, and now it's asking me, do I want to start the key learning process? I hit yes, I want to start the key learning process. I got to put this down because it may show the pin number again. So it says press the stop start button once. So we're going to press it once. Okay. Okay, so it's telling you, asking you to put the key in the slot, the programming slot. On this 2019 Chevy Silverado, the key programming slot is right here. If it has bucket seats, okay? If it has bucket seats, it goes between these two cup holders in that little square slot. If it didn't have bucket seats, and it had a bench seat, it would go in the back of here. There'd be a slot right in here somewhere. But since this has bucket seats, it goes right here. Here's the slot for a 2019 Chevy Silverado programming slot. This slot also is helpful. If the battery in your key fob goes dead and you can't start your car, you put your key fob right here and then you hit the start button. Okay, so we're going to hit OK. We're going to hold the camera down because I think it's going to show me the pin. It did. We're going to hit OK. We're going to hit OK again. It shows the pin a couple times. So it says switch the ignition off, which it is off. It's checking the network. It says wait 5 seconds. Okay, now it's a 12-minute wait. Okay, for this 12-minute wait, I am going to put you on pause. We'll put you on pause, and we'll come back when the 12 minutes is up. However, this would be a good time now to say, if you like this video, hit like. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. And if you want to visit our website, go to mynewlocks.com. That's for the local locksmith company in Downriver, Michigan. We're in Trenton, Michigan. We cover the entire Downriver, Michigan, and Monroe, Michigan area for automotive locksmith services. I'll put you on hold, and then we'll come back as soon as the 12-minute wait is up.
I'll come back in a minute.
All right, it's back on. So we're going to look at the dash. Look at the dash. It says press the stop start button once. Okay, if you look at the dash here, and it says ready for remote number 3. Right there. I'm going to push the stop start button once. And hit OK. It didn't work. Let's see what's going on. Maybe I got it in the wrong spot. Well, we'll go through and we'll just double check everything. says it's ready for remote 3, so it's configuring the system. It didn't work, but we're going to check it. So it's going through. The current key is complete matching. You want to match the next one? No, because we're done matching keys. Switch the ignition off. Okay. Switched it off. Press the stop start button for 12 seconds. This does the counting for us. I didn't think it took that key. I know it didn't. So we're going to find out though. So release the stop start button. Hit OK. Configuring the system. Please wait 5 seconds. Long press the stop start button until the ignition turns on. So we're going to long press it and wait for the dash to come on. So not that light, but the big ones. Them ones. So them lights come on. So we're just paying attention to what it's telling us to do. Switch the ignition off. So it's off. Press and hold the brake and the stop start button and wait for the engine. Well, the problem is I have this other key in here, so I'm going to take this key out. And we're going to go just like this. And we're going to press and hold the brake. So it says no remote detected. So I know it didn't work. I knew it didn't work. So this is a good problem to have. So we'll let it go through what it says. We're going to try this again. So we have to go through, and it didn't program, so we have to go through it, and we have to figure out why it didn't program. There could be many reasons why. It could be a bad key. It could have been sitting in the wrong spot. But I looked in the owner's manual, and that's exactly where the owner's manual tells you to put the new key. So we're just waiting for it right now to get back out of this mode. So once it gets out of this mode, I'll be back. All right, now it says it failed. I'll take a look. And it's good to fail. I mean, it's not good to fail really, but we're going to start over and do this again. So we're going to hit start. Yes, we want to start the key learning process. Yes. Press the stop start button once. Okay. Okay, it's in the slot where it says it's supposed to go. Oh, there's the pin code. All right, switch the ignition off. I believe it is off. It's checking the network. It's waiting 5 seconds to configure the system. Configuring the system could take 12 minutes, so we got to go through this again. So we're going to try it again. We don't usually fail, but we did this time, so this is a good lesson, I guess. Got to try again. All right, we're back now, and here's a couple of things that I've done. If you look, I've got the 4-ways on. I don't normally put the 4-ways on, and I've also moved the key from this center here to the cup holder, and it says ready for remote 3 right there. So it says to push the stop start button once. Didn't work. So we're going to try to find where this is at. Any other place in this vehicle where we could program a key, but let's see. Ready for remote. Try that one. All right. Gonna pause it. It's ready for remote. All right, hang on 1 second. All right, so no problems that we can't resolve. So I'm gonna turn it back and show you. So we're still on remote 3. From what I understand about this vehicle now is the programming slot is underneath of this, which you lift up. This is the console. I don't know how to close it, but under here is this another console. And in that console, in the corner, is a pocket. And this is where you put your key if the battery goes dead and to program the button. So now we're going to go back up here and we're going to push the stop start button 1 time. And it changes to remote 4. And I hit OK here. Found it. And I hit OK on here. And we go through this configuring the system. Okay, so we're configuring the system. We're going to wait 10 seconds. 9, 10. And then we're going to, the key is complete and matching. Do you want to match the next key? No. Just need to switch the ignition off. 1 button should push it off. So it's off. Press the stop start button for 12 seconds. So it'll count for us. So we're pressing the button. It's counting for us. We're still on remote 4. See the remote 4 down there? Release the stop start button. Hit OK. Now we're going to configure the system for 5 seconds. And I'm pretty sure we're going to long press it next. So we're going to do the long press now. We hold it on. We long press the button. We wait for the back dash lights to come on. All of them. Right there. Okay. Release it. Switch the ignition off. Ignition is off. Put your foot on the brake pedal and press the stop start button to start the engine and wait for 5 seconds. So the truck started. It's configuring the system for 5 seconds. Switch the ignition off. All right. Stop the engine. Open and closes the driver's door. Remove the smart key. Press the lock and unlock button on both key on the key to make sure you hear the door locks go off. Okay. That should be. Is there another key to be synchronized? No. Number of keys matched. Now there's 3 matched. Okay. That's it. Succeeded. All right. So in the owner's manual, it said the pocket was here, which wasn't here. So it said it was here. I don't even know how to pull this up. Oh, right here. Maybe this is it, right? So it said it was right here. Or it said it would be here. However, maybe in the book, it should have said you have to lift this. Maybe I misunderstood the picture to mean the pocket is here. So this is where you put your key if the battery goes dead in your key fob to start your car. You put your key fob in there and then you hit the start button. All right, well, this was a long video, longer than I anticipated. Appreciate you watching. If you liked it, I mean, we had a problem, we solved it, we got through it. Hit like. If you have any questions or you want to make a comment, drop them in the comment section. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and visit mynewlocks.com. That's my website. Thanks.